This may be the longest that I've spent on one block. You see, each side of the sniffer egg uses its own texture. So not only did I have to texture each one, but I had to make sure they all connected seamlessly. So because of that, I started out by combining all the textures into a sort of map to help me visualize how things would connect, which you can see here. Probably almost half the time was spent on just doing the spots and making sure that looked good when they were actually put on the model. Once I got those done, I moved on to the texture itself. And with the spots, I started to go with this style of shading, which after a while I realized kind of looked like fur, which I think in this case works because the sniffer itself is sort of furry. And then I moved on to the red part of the egg, which was a little bit easier. It was just sort of smoothing things out. And then recently I did the turtle eggs. So seeing as they're both eggs, I used very similar values for the sniffer. And then I did experiment a little bit with raising up the spots with height maps, but because each side uses its own texture, I couldn't really get it to look seamless, so I ended up scrapping that. Now there is actually 2 other versions of this texture for the different hatching stages, but I've already spent a couple hours on this one, so that's gonna have to be left for another video.